init dun sa ano,
Saan?
taas. Pero pag nandito, lamig.
Sana nag-jacket ka.
Wala kang jacket eh.
Ha?
Naiwan sa bahay. Kaya nag-long sleeve na lang ako. Wow, ang ganda ng view.
Uy, si Max!
Wag po. Bawal mamatay. Hindi ako mamamatay.
Lahi ni Ken. Ang tetelok eh.
Ano yung bag mo?
Oh my gosh.
Telok ka.
Baka tulok.
Wala iba to.
Keling.
Hindi naman parang short ng...
Mag-explain ka, uy.
Nag-explain ka kay Kelly. Ano nangyari?
Si Kelly ay inasid. Nagsuka siya earlier. Daming... Si Kelly nung pagod. Senior kasi eh. Mas matanda pa to kay mama. Dog age, 77. Diba? Okay. Ang init. Tapos, yun, nagsuka siya bigla-bigla nang uminom siya ng tubig. Ayun, yung isang asawa niya, si Ira. Hindi naman pagod. Energetic. Hindi pa siya pagod. Ayun na yung asong pink.
Hindi ko nga pinakain ng madami yun. Sinubukan ko lang kanina. Uy, nagsusuka na talaga siya kahapon. Hindi yun. I'm so worried. Gutom na siya kasi yellow yung suka niya.
Okay, ayun, yellow suka. Tita said.
Ay, nakainin din yung kay Maxi. Ayun na din.
Oh, malapit lang pala tayo.
Ano may madaan tayo pala yan?
Ganun lang.
Bili ako ng kahit one.
Konting lakad lang. So, malapit na kami sa vehicle.
May maabutan pa ba tayo sa beach?
Hindi, diretso na tayo sa beach. Bukas na tayo.
Wala na tayo
Pagod,
abutan.
pagod na yung isa dyan eh.
Sorry na.
Maxi, ano? Ba't nandyan ka? Uy, baka madulas ka naman. Umiihi. Umiihi lang kayo naman. Ay! Sabi ko bigla, bumagal yung lakad ko.
Oh.
Bubble gum.
Ate step on the bubble gum. Yuck. Ew.
Ano, niyayaya ka na. Lakad na. Niyayaya na.
Ew. The view is really pretty from here. Mommy, what is the meaning of this?
Hindi mo nga mabasa eh. Ano ba yan?
K-O-D-P-W-H. Butterflies. Spirit animal. Okay, we're here.
Maxi. Ang cute. Wala kasi at chance.
Oh my gosh. The 360 is really heavy.
Kailan tayo pupunta sa windmill? Bukas.
Tomorrow daw po. Pagod na po si Kelly eh.
Alam naman si Kuya pag may... hindi na tayo kakain bagnet. Pag may isang... Ay, hindi na din?
Buko Diyos.
Bagnet? Ano bagnet? Bagnet? Oo, vegan.
Okay, we're here. There's the vehicle. Okay. We're gonna wait for the van. And we're going to go to the resort.
Ano yan?
Windmill. Gusto niyo windmill?
Na?
Windmill. Display.
So, tell me, masaya ba sa vegan?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. It was really hot, right? Yeah.
Di ba sa lalagyanan ni Maxi? Or sa grocery? Hindi, dun sa green, sa Crocs.
Besa Crocs!
Wala kaya yung init. Yan.
Si Soul. Oh! Alam, dapat lang. Right? You have a lot of blackhead. Or pawisa. I knew it. Oh, yung kilikili ko pawis na.
Leki-leki. Magubad ka ng damit sa kotse.
Mamaya, ayoko. Tutulog na ako.
Palitan niyo ba ito ng diaper?
So, we're waiting for Uncle Michael to set up the van. Okay, I think we're going to the van now. Vegan was really hot in the first
Dito na!
napunta namin. It was really, really, really hot. But at least it was fun though. Last time we went to the zoo and we went to the museum. Yeah, that was really fun. I love vegan. The water is really clear. I saw it from the lighthouse. Yeah, I saw the ocean. It was really blue. I hate the smell of fans. Like, it's getting me dizzy. I hate it. I really, really, really hate it. Oof. Why is the Insta360 so heavy? I can't even hold it in my hand. Oh, look! There are windmills.
Ay, nako.
So tell me, Ma, was it really fun in vegan?
What?
Is it really fun in vegan?
It's really fun in the Philippines.
Yeah. There's a lot of islands, seas. OA.
Bumili ka windmill ta? Windmill?
Yo, patay mo na yo.
Okay. Paano?